Alright. I don't quite know what I'm doing. I need to move that out of my way, actually, because that's actually gonna be in my way. Where do I put this? Somewhere where it won't be in my way, so I guess up here. Which, even then, it'll probably still be in my way. Fuck. I probably should do. Give me a second. I hope my shit's not gonna crash or do anything stupid. Give me a minute. There. Do I need to make another one, or am I good? And like, I'm just gonna make a player controller, because why the fuck not? One thing I'm gonna do is get rid of this. So you don't have to hear horrendous game audio. Because yes, people have said that the game audio is absolutely horrid. Do I need player state? I think I might if I want to make it multiplayer, but do I really need to? Fuck it. Alright. I'm gonna load up a different level, I think, because this one literally has a knack for just crashing my computer randomly. This one. This one tends to crash a lot less, so I'll use this. Give me a sec. I probably should have changed the tags on this before starting. There. Now, shooter game mode. This is good for now. On this one, but on stuff like the, what's it called? Open world, that's where I'm gonna need to change it a little bit. I want it to work similar, but I don't want it to feel the exact same. Like it will allow for the picking up of weapons and stuff. If it wants to load. This is gonna take a minute because my computer is a real hatred for this, so it's a pain. It's gonna take a minute, so yeah. I'll put it on be right back, so yeah. Great. There. Is it still trying to load? Yep. It's gonna take a minute. Of course it is. It's gonna take like 10 hours. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. This happens all the goddamn time, so. Or it just takes 30 minutes to load for some fucking reason. This is normal. It's completely normal for me. Because, oh yay, why would my computer want to work? I don't know why it keeps saying that. It works, but it keeps saying all this shit, so I don't know what the fuck's going on. Is it loading? What was going on? What is this? Don't freeze. Oh my god. Yeah, it's just gonna be stuck like this for a minute. Yeah, now, here we go. Spatially loaded actor. World references. Spatially loaded. What the fuck? I thought I changed this, dude. What the fuck? Work! Oh my god. I need to change it again. Detail. It's not... Specialization's off. What the fuck are you on? Oh my god. This bullshit. This pure, utter bullshit. Alright, well. I'm going to use the shooter player controller for most of this. Even though I created the framework one, I'm going to use this. Default pawn. Default pawn. Fuck. Think. Shooter, paper character. The fuck? I've never been able to think. BP enemy base? First person shooter. Shooter character. I'll make a shooter character. Who cares? Game state. This. Player state. This. Selected pawn. What the fuck am I on? Spectator pawn. Yes. Because there is nothing else. Literally. Player controller. Should I use... I think I'm gonna use that, actually. This... is like... BP... default pawn. I think shooter character works fine. I don't really care. As long as it works, that's all that matters. Assuming that any of this works. Save. What was not saving? Hello? What the fuck? Alright. Yeah, this map is guaranteed to crash, so. But this, like, little, like, trench area, I guess. Not really trench, but, like, I guess valley area, I think. I don't care. Alright, game session. The hell? Spectator. Player controller. What the hell? Wait. Does this mean? This makes me feel even more stupid. Alright. What the hell? I'm trying to fix a bunch of bugs and random shit at the same time, but I'm gonna hold off on all the bugs because they're not really that important to fix. Unless you call a few animation issues really important to fix, but right now I really don't care. They're just animations, why should I care? But I know somebody's gonna say something about that. So I shouldn't be happy about that. There. So I'm pretty much just trying to set up like multiplayer functionality for this level specifically using blueprints. Because this level here is going to be specifically multiplayer. As long as fuck. As well as a bunch of other levels after this. Like, yeah. Don't know what else there will be. Not sure what else to add or what to put. I'm trying to think. I'm a bit stupid, okay? Give me a minute. I'm gonna do some interesting stuff. Give me a minute. Player. Is there anything for respawning the player? I don't think there is. I'm gonna have to check somewhere. Give me a minute. Variant shooter. Work character. Player destroyed. Respawn it at random. Bind event undestroyed. Where is this event undestroyed at? Bind event undestroyed. Undestroyed event. Right. Event unpossess. Possessed pawn. Respawns. Pawn destroyed events, so you can respawn it at random player start. Am I stupid? No, this is the respawn thing. So why not just put under one function, call it respawn? Or is that not possible? No, I'm just gonna wing it here and just do this and put it in into a function. Collapse a function. Failed. Collapsing a function failed. Why did you fail? If I collapse this to a function. New function. Respawn player. So I need to copy this over here. On respawn player, what does the code look like? So respawn player, do nothing? What? What? Cancel. Give me a minute. I have a feeling this will cause an issue. Destroyed actor. Where... If I undo the function, what does that do? Right. Sequence. Bind event to undestroyed event. Am I gonna have to recreate this entire thing? think I'm gonna. Wait, actually, I might not have to. Bullet counter UI. Variable hit counter UI. UI shooter bullet counter. And as that, if I were to copy and paste this entire thing of code, this will make it choose a area to spawn it randomly around the map. What the fuck? Oh, there. Event unpossess. Unpossessed pawn. I'm just gonna do this temporarily. Now, question is, where is the error? Possess is controller. Target self? What? Wait. In pawn. Possess controller. Where would possess be? Possess. Okay. So I can't. Unless I change this to on possess. If I do that, unbind event on possess. No. That's a custom event, actually. Custom event on possess. Or no. No, I'm just gonna keep it. Keyboard P. I don't know what I'm doing, so. Yeah, I don't fucking know. Respawn. How do I make a respawn? I'm looking back at this to figure out where they get respawning. Is dead. Where would that be in the code? Death handling, die, disable movement, disable input. Physics. This should work? I don't know. Is dead, character is dead. No, that's just saying that. Making sure their health is set. Right. I'm not gonna bother with the respawn player shit then. I'll figure this crap out later. Unless I'm retarded and I just need to create custom events. No, I'm just gonna make a custom event, name it respawn player, because I thought I already had one, but apparently I didn't. Well, I'm just stupid sometimes, so deal with it. I'm trying to set up some kind of multiplayer stuff. Run on server, run on owning client, or no. Should I just leave it as that? I'm gonna leave it as that. I don't really care. Executes on server, yeah, that works. So, what from here? Why is this here if it's not being used yet? Just get rid of that for now. Gonna move this down here. Or move this out of the way. Get game mode. Cast to something. Something. I'm stupid, so give me a sec. Underscore. There. I'm just gonna have this over here so it's sort of out of the way, but still close to the thing, so I don't have to scroll all the way out. Zoom all the way out, I mean. Did I really need that? Do I? I don't know. I'm just gonna have it there. I'm still pretty shit at this, so. There. I'm gonna do this real quick for anybody who wants to join. Pin there. That's set up correctly, right? I hope it is. Yeah, it should go to the right one. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna be slightly annoyed. Trying to think right now. There. don't have real attention. I don't even know what I'm doing over here. But I don't have any intention of adding any form of score bull crap. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn this shit off. It's just flooding my shit right now. So, I'm probably gonna end up adding states for like everything here. So, like player name or username, whatever. I guess I'll just call it username. And then, yeah. I am real quick. I can't really do that. Fuck. I was gonna create a new level, but then I realized I'm doing all this shit in the open world level blueprint, so I can't really do that. But this is like the main multiplayer level, so God damn it. Why do I do this shit? I'm just gonna have this just sort of sitting here as a variable. It's just sitting here, waiting to be used. As well as this. Because I don't really know where I'm going to use it. I just know that I'm going to use it somewhere. Or maybe not. I don't know. I'm just going to get rid of those for now. But, yeah. I'm gonna do set health 100 by default. But every single level I do, I guess, will have to be like a duplicate of this level. All the other levels are gonna be kind of smaller though in comparison, because this is the open world level. The other ones are sort of just gonna be like small enclosed areas that you have to click a button to enter type of thing. Or like combat areas. I don't know though. Just ideas. Not quite sure what to do right now. I don't know where I was. This is sort of just gonna get dragged over here, I think. It's like the spawn, respawn player area. I'm just gonna create a custom event here, but I don't know what to call it. This custom event is fine for now. Or, fuck. Can't think. What am I doing? Oh no. No, I might just leave it as P. what I'm gonna end up doing, I think, is just sort of leaving these here. And just putting comments around them for the time being. Put that there. There's not much to put into the game state for right now, or to even try to put in game state. I'm also going to create a thing for widgets. Maybe not. This is staying over here. These are sort of just gonna exist, I think. I don't know. For the time being. Only for the time being. I'm gonna make this an array as well as this. And I think I need to think. Probably, nah. This stays single, I think. Compile. So player controllers. Gonna put this and this. There. Right. Thank you for the lark omens. I'm trying to think right now of what to do, because this is the first time really doing sort of multiplayer stuff, so I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to this. I want this to be sort of server only for the time being. All the way over here. So rename this to respawn. There. So we just have this existing. Why the hell? Okay. That's moved around. Alright. So I have to make more shit now. Blueprints, multiplayer. I'm trying to think. I'm just gonna open all of these up and sort of figure it out from there. What the hell? Oh, there. Give me a minute. Actually, maybe. I don't need this actually. Maybe not actually. Maybe I do need it. I don't know. I'm just gonna work with these. I was gonna create new ones, but in a different folder, but I think that might just override what I have here. And I don't want to be dealing with that bullshit yet. Maybe not. I don't know though. There might be a way to do what I'm trying to think. But for now, I'm just gonna do it in these. These are existing things. What to do? Oh, so we're gonna open up in the background first person blueprints, first person character. So I just have this open so I can look at it. I don't need all of this open, I don't think. But I am trying to implement like full multiplayer capabilities right now. So right now I'm sort of just trying to make sure it checks if the person's logged into the game or connected to the servers or whatever is going to be set up for multiplayer. I think I might just have it set up to be player dedicated servers. I don't know though. More just PvE. Don't really want to deal with PvP bullshit later on. I'll probably add more PvP stuff later on, but for now it's mostly just PvE shit that you'd probably end up having to worry about. So right now, like survival and PvE mechanics is what I'm just focusing on right now. What the hell? Get rid of that. And I am getting an error. Why am I getting an error? Actually, I think I know why I'm getting an error. It's this bullshit. Get rid of that actually. What the fuck? Stop doing this shit. That keeps happening. I don't know why. There. It does this thing occasionally where it's just sort of buggy and doesn't show the mouse on my screen. I don't know if that's what it looks like on the stream, but it's, on my end it's fucking bad. You know what? What am I doing? There's this. My nose itchy. Jeez. And just ran out of storage to play Ark. So I sort of just stopped playing it completely. Shit took up my entire fucking hard drive. Well, the leader is pretty much done playing Ark for the time being, but he says it's only for a few months. I don't even know if I'll play the game again unless I get a new hard drive with more space. Then I might play it again, but I don't know. It's gonna be a little while. Why is it doing this shit again, bro? I'm always spamming the compile button to make sure all of this works and isn't spitting out like a billion errors. Otherwise, it'll just end up in like a fucking what the fuck moment. Right. PC framework. There, and there. I need to move this entire fucking line of code. Jesus fuck. I need to move all of this. This is weird in the way. I don't even know what I'm trying to do here. So we're just stringing a bunch of spaghetti together and seeing if it works. That's literally all I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna get rid of that for now. This is not getting plugged into anything. My brain's really not thinking today, so yeah. I don't know why I decided to do this, I just did. What the fuck? There. Alright. Wait, is my audio even on? That'd be funny. My fucking audio isn't even on. Sound. Yeah, my audio's on. I don't know why I didn't hear Discord on my end. Welcome to the stream. I'm doing good. I'm trying to figure out making a multiplayer game for the first time, so I'm trying to figure that out. Yeah. No, so just so you guys know, I'm using only one monitor, so I have to like go back and forth between this and Unreal. Just blueprints for now. Not too good at it, but I'm also not terrible at it. It's just a matter of just figuring out what does what. Earlier, somebody joined the call that I was in, and I, for whatever reason, couldn't hear them. So I think my speaker audio is like busted or something. I don't know why it always does that. It always does, so it's annoying. I have to like do this and do that. This is the default, right? I think it is. Alright. So this is just, so what I got so far is just a thing that is basically like events for when players are connecting to multiplayer, and a event for when a player is disconnecting for now. I plan to add more eventually onto whatever this is, but right now it's just spaghetti code, so this is supposed to be a respawn sort of function, so I'm still trying to set up and everything, like getting the player to spawn in, which is still work in progress. Usually since in the same boat for streaming, I just use my phone for chat, so I don't gotta keep switching. Yeah. I honestly, I have an iPad right next to me, but I only ever use it for like whenever I really need to look something up. Like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so I just need to look something up real quick, but yeah. I should probably move into this VC. Alright. gonna set up sort of multiple spawn points. Holy shit, I'm lagging. Why am I lagging so bad? What the fuck? Hang on, I need to set all the way down to low real quick. This is bad. There. Jesus. I need to put multiple player starting locations in real quick so I can actually like test things out real and stuff. What am I? Hang on. Oh. So with like 3 player locations to spawn in at. Should I add 4? I'll just leave it at 3, I think. Yeah. I'm just gonna create a function. What to put, what to put, what to put. What the hell? Damn it, work. Jesus. This will be minimum and then -1. Or not, I don't know. What? I don't know where that came from. There. What the fuck? Why is it doing this shit? Why is it doing this shit? Work! My god. What the fuck? No. I even know what's causing this weird bullshit either. Hang on, I need to, like, completely reload. I don't understand why it does that. No, I don't want that. Why the fuck, bro? Did I, like, completely crash or something? I don't know what the fuck. Yeah, I don't even know if I crashed, like, out of nowhere and then, like, everything automatically restarted, apparently. I don't know what happened, but whatever that shit was is not supposed to happen. Some bullshit. That's all I'm gonna say. It was some bullshit, dude. Some utter bullshit. Some utter bullshit. Oh, great. Am I just frozen now? Great. God damn it. Yeah, I just froze. Like my entire computer. That's fun. How can a game engine completely freeze your computer? Answer. Oh no. It's not frozen completely, it's the engine that's frozen, and I don't know why. It's annoying, dude. It's annoying. Yeah, I'm still frozen. Great. God damn it. What is Task Manager? What is slaughtering my computer? Of course. Of course. Of course it would be. I don't know why it just completely froze, so I'm just waiting for the engine to respond. Great. This is always fun, bro. This is always fun. I'm waiting for it to respond, but it's not letting me open the engine properly. I'm about to just go into Task Manager or close the engine twice, because this is annoying. End process or end task. Now, are you gonna load? Or is my memory just gonna go all the way up to 1000% usage? Yes. Okay, well, that's good. Didn't see the need to just completely freeze. I just love this. What? Alright. I need to get from over here to here, or no? This to this. Yes. Right. Sometimes I wonder why I have to put up with this bullshit sometimes. It is literally bullshit too. Where it's like, oh, it'll just like completely freeze for no reason at all. It just completely freezes. I don't even think I need this piece of code there. I can just plop this over here. Then I can just, I guess, shrink that and then bring this over. Put this there. Then I have to expand this as well. Ow, my nose. Why is my nose itchy? Damn it. I don't know if that's where it should be though. Why? Okay, there. This will only work on the multiplayer level too. So that would be the open world level, which is also the most crash heavy level right now. So I expect it to crash like 20 times in a row without any explanation on why. So, fun. This is essentially just self-torture. All right. Yeah, I'm just running it in this mode. Hopefully I don't get any weird crashes. I have to have it at low graphics settings, otherwise my computer would have a fucking stroke. Like on the spot too, which is really annoying. And my computer does not like when I have this engine open at all, so it's always fun. But this part of the game isn't even gonna be multiplayer. This is sort of just intro tutorial area. No, it's this area, which will literally take a minute to load. Yay. I'm not even joking, this area actually takes fucking forever to load. This is gonna take a minute. This is gonna take a fucking minute. It shouldn't take this long either, that's the thing. It shouldn't be taking this long, but it is. Yeah, but it's still taking a minute. It's taking its goddamn time, that's what it's doing. Shouldn't be taking this long, that's the annoying thing. Oh, finally. And I can't move? Damn it. Well, I fucked something up. Yay. Did I just, like, what happened? What happened? Did I just, like, fall through the ground or something? Sign on destroyed. No, that's, like, AI bullshit. It's not valid. Fade out. Music player. What? What? What are you trying to do? What? Hang on. Add all player controllers. Where is first person character? First person blueprints. First person character. I need to set it up so it's not doing this weird bullshit when it spawns in. So it's actually able to move. God damn it. Why does it do this shit? Oh, that's irritating. Man. I set it up, but it's like it won't move. Like it's unable to move. Alright. Alright, now it's gonna take a little minute to load. It's just gonna take a minute. Where the fuck did my cursor go? How long have I been live for? Like 2 hours. Jeez. What? Where did my... God damn it. Yeah, it's doing this shit now. It's gonna take a minute to load. Oh. Alright, so it gets the player. Like it knows that there's a player here. Number of players 2. What would happen if I tried to... You know what? I think it'll just crash my computer if I try to do this, or it'll crash the engine. But I'm gonna try it anyway. And this always happens, like every fucking 10 milliseconds, so... It drives me absolutely insane, but whatever. I don't even care. It's not loading great. It's gonna take a while. Oh. Omens is live. This is gonna take a while, so I'm just doing this out of boredom. Yeah, it's always this taking forever to load and shit. This is normal. At least for my piece of shit computer. This is taking a while, so... Oh, it's done? Great. I don't understand what the fuck this is. Like, what's going on here, but whatever. I don't even care. Oh, God. Bullshit. Did it just freeze? You gotta be kidding me. Did it just... Okay, well, it's been slow. Oh my god. These... The LOD not loading in. Hang on. I need to change the settings when I run it. Editor. I need to play. Play an editor? What is it called again? The fucking, what's it called? Level editor play. Oh. I am turning mine all the way down. This is gonna crash the engine, isn't it? I wouldn't be surprised. I don't know why it does this. It just does. So, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna crash 100%. Yep, it's not letting me open it up again. Well, that's fun. This is gonna crash, I know it. Oh? Just happened. Did it crash or what? Oh god. What just happened? My computer sounds like a fucking jet engine trying to take off. Yeah, it's not loading. It's taking forever. I think it might have crashed. I don't know though. What is my computer's memory usage? I should probably check that. 100. Why? Why? Oh god. Why, bro? Why? Oh, finally. Oh, it's at like 0 FPS. This is gonna take a minute. I'm just gonna do this.